Well, snow is pretty when it falls, but how it looks once it lands depends on what shape the flakes take.
Yeah, because snowflakes are far from one size fits all. Meteorologist Chris Michaels explains what shape we'll see today and how that affects the forecast.
The size, the shape of snowflakes can definitely shape what we see here at ground level. And in terms of how cold it is right now, what we're looking at are these snowflakes called dendrites. And the shape of them is kind of how you would, when you make paper snowflakes, that's kind of what they look like. And so they start out with this hexagon shape, and then as the air is colder and you get more water droplets collecting onto it, you get that fan that's going out. What you notice when it's cold out is that the snowflakes are drier, a little more powdery, and they've got pockets of air in between. So they collect a little bit. It's like playing Tetris, so they stack a little more easily as they fall toward the ground. This is also why we use different ratios when we're trying to calculate how much snow is going to fall. And in this case, because it's cold, it's a 15-to-1. Basically, for every 15 inches of snow, that's 1 inch of rain. And in terms of how much liquid there is, about 1/10 of an inch. That's why it makes this forecast pretty tricky, because we're not looking at a ton of moisture, but any little shift in that makes a difference in what you see. In terms of the type of snow, again, it's light, it's powdery, it's easy to remove, that's great, but if you're looking for snowballs in the areas that do see snow accumulation, it's going to be a little tougher to make those first thing Wednesday morning.